Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this gorgeous, juicy baked turkey in the oven. Now this is a must try if you're not baking a whole turkey for Thanksgiving. It's so easy to bake, so let me show you guys how it's done. If you enjoy the video, make sure to thumbs it up. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, to get started, I am going to mix all of my seasonings together. The measurement will be below. I'll try to put it on the screen for you guys right now. I'm using Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm using adobo seasoning, paprika, ground black pepper, cumin, Creole seasoning, and no salt required for this recipe because some of the seasoning has salt already. Trust me, you won't need it. All right, and also I like to taste my seasoning just to make sure it's on point. If it needs some little something, I'll add it. All right, so this is the seasoning blend. One thing I do like to do on my meat, especially if they're thick, I like to use a fork to poke them. That way we can have the seasoning go inside every little bite you take. The meat will be nice and tasty and delicious. Now, if you have like a syringe, you can add some oil to your seasoning and just squeeze the seasoning in. But I don't have one, so I like to poke my meat with a fork and then put the seasoning in. It'll taste so good. But before I do, I like to add a little bit of olive oil on there so the seasoning can stick on there and not just fall off. And then we're going to add the seasoning onto the turkey drumstick and the turkey thigh, and make sure you clean your turkey. Now this turkey right here, I cleaned it with lime, vinegar, and salt. Now we're going to add the seasoning onto the turkey drumstick and the thighs. Now make sure to generously add the seasoning onto the turkey, guys. I like to lift every part of the turkey, every part of the meat, the crevices, to add the seasoning because you want to eat this turkey and feel proud, especially if you're making this for Thanksgiving, y'all. Then you most definitely need to season this from head to toe. Alright guys, now that I'm done seasoning my turkey, I'm going to add some veggies to it. I'm cutting some potatoes, carrots, and celery to add to it. Now this is very optional. Let me tell you, after you're done baking this turkey, the sauce, the juice, you're going to need something to eat it with. Now, if you're making this for Thanksgiving, you can use the broth to make stuffing or whatever you're making, basically, because the broth tastes, or the juice tastes so good. And you guys, I'm asking you, if you're watching me for the first time, Island Vibe Cooking, be sure to subscribe because I do upload new recipes here very often and they're so good, they're so delicious. I'm sure if you like this recipe, you will like the other videos that I do upload on this channel. So don't hesitate to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, as well as liking this video. Come on, y'all, like the video for me, please. And also I added some onions. Now I did left some seasoning to add to my veggies. This is very optional, honestly, because they'll be sitting in the juice anyways. So I added the seasoning onto the veggies. Then I am going to place the, what do you call it, the turkey wings, turkey thighs. For those who might ask, where did I get my turkey wings from? I got them from Publix, y'all. That's where I shop. Almost everything you guys see me cooking, it's always from Publix. So yeah, this is it right here. We're going to bake this on 350. Before we bake it, I went ahead, guys, and add some some melted butter to it, so it can be nice and juicy and buttery. So I melted some butter and just pour it all over the turkey wings and the thigh wings. What am I talking about? The turkey drumstick. All right, now that we're done, we're going to cover it. Yes, guys, I did cover it so the seasoning doesn't burn. Now I'm going to bake it on 350, covered on 350 for 1 hour and 20 minutes, y'all. 1 hour and 20 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the foil, turn on my boiler to boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you have that nice golden brown color on top. Then boom, it is ready. Look how gorgeous, how beautiful this turkey turned out, guys. I'm so proud of this recipe. I hope you guys actually try this. If you're not making this, you're making a whole turkey, try the seasoning blend, because honey, it is the bomb. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like it, subscribe if you are new. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.